Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new F2P emote in Fisherman. In the latest update, Fisherman added an emote feature, and the good news, there's one emote that you can get completely free without spending Robux. You can only need in-game coins. First, just go to the Fisherman Island like this, and then just head over to this side on this area like this. And then in here, you will find a emote area like this, and then you can buy this emote for 10,000 coins. This emote is a settings emote. Just buy it, but make sure you have enough coin. Just tap on it, and then just the sitting pose or sitting emotes will be added to your emote menu. Just tap on the items and then emotes, and then just activate the emotes until it has a green dot like this. And then next, just tap on the emotes icon on this screen, this one, to activate it. And then just tap on this emotes, just like your emotes, and then just tap on the center button like this, and your character automatically will sit like this. And okay, that's it to get the easy free emote for everyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.